Hey guys, welcome back. We got a difficult job ahead of us here, and thought I'd turn the camera on. This 1970 Mach 1 that we're working on a little bit at a time here. We have a bad high beam switch. Tough one, man. Tough one. This is a difficult job indeed. As you can see, it lives down here by your foot. A lot of work. So we're going to get to it. And I know a lot of you younger guys, God help me, I can't believe I'm actually saying that, have never seen one of these. And you're used to pulling columns apart and stuff like that to replace, you know, these switches. This one, I finally got lucky and got a vehicle that isn't that involved. Okay, so as you can see, that is your high beam switch. It sticks like bad. So we're gonna put one in. Here's a new one. That one works. Just gonna put a little dielectric grease on here to protect it, and we should be fine. If he wants to change the plug out, that is really no big deal at all on this vehicle. So can always do that at a later date. There is no actual damage on the connector, so I'm not real concerned there, guys. She's fine. And fold the carpet back right there. What did I just do, dummy? Pop this back, place. Couple screws, and I can't see. There we go. This old girl, but it's all right. She's coming back to life slowly but surely. We do need a turn signal switch as well for this car, which is going to be another thing I have to track down. Local guys say there's no listing on it. I just recently did one in a C6, 66, what was it? Oh God, I'm trying to think. It was a Ford, like this guy, but I can't remember the name of the car. I believe it was a country sedan. That's what it was. It was a 66 country sedan. So we're gonna have to track one down for this Mustang. It should actually be the same switch. That does live in the column, so the column's got to come apart anyway. But it's all right. Let's see. Turn the headlights on. They're probably dead. Battery's dead. Nope. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I believe we need bulbs here too. Yeah, we need bulbs. Low beams work now. Okay. And I think this thing has a switch under here. Let me see for the sport lighting. That does not work either. There are a number of things that need to be done here with the lights. So let's see. This guy. I'm trying to remember here. It's been a while, guys. Oh yeah, there they are. Okay. Sport lights are on. Low beams. Okay. And we got to get some bulbs for this guy. Get the high beams working. Get the low beam working. So still quite a bit of work to do, but we're getting there slowly but surely. I think I'll pull these guys out and see what gives. Wonder if my parts store has a listing on headlights for this guy. They set you guys up right here. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to shut these off for now. Sport lights. Okay. Every time we start doing one thing on here, we run into something else. So, like I said, this car has been sitting for a long time, and it needs a lot of love. All right, so we got our headlights on, low beams, I think. Go in here and check. All right, just flip it over. There you go. So we do have our power feed. We have faulty bulbs. So let me see if we can get ourselves a couple of headlights for this guy and pop them in. Look at that. Remember when connectors didn't melt all the time? I think that might have had something to do with the factory putting dielectric grease on there. They don't do that anymore. All right, let's test them. Let's see if they work. There's low, there's high. All right. So we got us headlights, we got us marker lights. Everything looks good. Now we got to put a signal switch in it, which I don't have, but I will be working on getting it, of course. This guy's falling out. That's broke too. Well, yeah, he needs a little bit of TLC here, but any progress to get this thing on the road is progress. Lights, check them one more time. I'll put you guys back here so you can see, and I'll take Yes. What I have and what I don't have.